Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can easily pin any message in a WhatsApp group. Please friends, subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get started with you. And to begin with, go to the WhatsApp app on your phone, then go to the chat section at the bottom. Next, select the group in which you want to pin some message. After that, select that message, tap on it, and hold it down. And here you will be able to find the More section. And next, just select Pin It. And now you'll be able to choose how long you'd like to pin this message for. Whether it's for 24 hours, whether it's for 7 days, whether it's for 30 days. You select the time period, and then the post is immediately pinned. You might have other settings on your WhatsApp. And then, if you press and hold your messages that you want to pin, you'll find the Pin section. You'll find it already there, and you don't have to press anymore. The same applies if you want to pin someone else's message in a WhatsApp group. You will also just need to simply click on it, hold it down. You'll get the exact same menu where you have to press More, and then pin it. But let me tell you right away that you can pin no more than 3 messages in a WhatsApp group. That is, if you have already pinned 3 messages and you want to pin another one, the new message you pin will automatically replace the oldest pinned message in the group. This is how, friends, you can easily pin messages in a group in WhatsApp. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, write your comments, put your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.